Hey guys, it's BadB7 here, and today I'm making a video about how to build the Lego Hero Factory ratchet. That was my latest video. It's a bioformer, and so as you can see right here, these are the pieces that you're going to be needing. So I'm just gonna go through them really fast, and you can pause the video if you want to get your pieces. But yeah. Yeah, well, that's all the pieces. Now to get on with the build. I'm gonna do it like this time. Okay, so first you want to take your body right here, and you're going to make the limbs of it. So take all of these pieces, take these pieces and these pieces, and you're going to want to connect them together and do that 4 times. Now take your body and these pieces and put them on like schnow. Like, yeah. There you go, so far. Okay, now, so now what you're going to want to take is you're going to want to take this piece and these pieces, and you're going to want to put them in these places right here. So the black one goes into this circle right there, and the blue one goes into the plus sign right there. And then you take your guy, and then you take this piece and you put it in these, and this hole, and this hole. Like show. Okay, now, okay, once, okay, like so. Okay, now you're going to want to take this piece and put it right, right there. Put it there. So it should look like this now. Okay, now you're going to want to take your silver 3 armor piece and your head and put them together. And put them right here. That's the head. Now, you're going to want to flip over the head and turn the whole body over, like so. Then you're going to want to take one of your black 3 armor pieces and put them one right there. And you're going to want to take one of your gunmetal gray pieces and your Hero Factory core, the one from Breakout, and put those together. It'll look like this, and then put it on the back. Right there. And you should, so back should look like this now. Okay, now for the arms. You're going to need two black ones and 2 gunmetal grays for the arms and the shoulders. So put the gunmetal gray 5-piece, put one right there, and put one right there. So you should have 2. It should look like that. Yeah. Then take your black pieces and put one there, on the other side, and everything is facing down, by the way. Okay, now take the remaining armor pieces and put the gunmetal gray ones right here, and put the black ones right here. And then, so it should look like this so far. Okay, now, take your bionicle pieces and put them on the hands right there. And take both of your feet and put them on the feet. The feet are black, by the way. Like so. Now we can stand up. And the last part is easy. Before I already showed how to transform him in my other video, so so if you want to know how to transform, just go to that video, because I already said it, but, yeah. And then these, for this mode, these go on his shoulders. They can either go on his shoulders, or they can go in his hands. Either way, whichever way you prefer. But I'm gonna put it on his, shoulders for right now. Yeah, well, this is Ratchet. And before I go, I wanted to give a shout out to Word of Awesomeness. You guys should subscribe to him. He does awesome videos about Legos too. So, yeah, this is Ratchet. That's how you build him. Okay, well, see you guys later.